Welcome all, Papa G here. Today is Saucy Sunday. It's where we focus primarily on low-carb recipes for sauces, condiments, and dressings. Most of the videos will be short and to the point, just something to help add a little flavor to your low-carb diet. Let's get started. For this week's Saucy Sunday episode, we'll be making a low-carb hoisin sauce. If you're not familiar with hoisin sauce, it's a sweet and savory sauce that is very commonly used in Chinese cuisine. Unfortunately, it tends to contain a lot of sugar, which for those of us watching our carbs is not a good thing. We'll make our low-carb version by combining a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, some all-natural creamy peanut butter, a little sesame oil, some rice vinegar, a little garlic powder, about 3/4 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder, some IMO syrup, and finally a liquid sugar substitute equal to a 1/4 cup of regular sugar. If you're using my favorite brand, it's about 12 drops. Give this a mix until everything is fully incorporated. Pour into a storage jar and let chill in the refrigerator. When it sets, the sesame oil will separate from the rice vinegar, so be sure to shake or stir it before using. You'll see after it's been chilled, it's thickened up nicely and waiting for your next Chinese dish recipe. There you have it, folks, my low-carb hoisin sauce. Now you can make your favorite Chinese recipe and still keep it low-carb and keto-friendly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.